Traveling is one of life's greatest joys, offering us the chance to explore new cultures, savor delicious cuisines, and create unforgettable memories. However, the key to a successful trip lies in thorough preparation. In this video, we aim to provide essential tips for travelers, ensuring that your next adventure is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Whether you're dreaming of lounging on the beaches of Bali, trekking through the majestic landscapes of Patagonia, or wandering the historic streets of Rome, being well prepared can make all the difference. Imagine arriving at your dream destination, ready to dive into the local experiences without a hitch. Preparation not only helps you avoid common pitfalls but also allows you to maximize your time and enjoyment. From packing the right gear to understanding local customs, every detail counts. We'll discuss how to create a travel checklist, the importance of booking accommodations in advance, and tips for navigating transportation options. As we explore these topics, we'll also highlight some exciting destinations and experiences that await you. Picture yourself sipping coffee in a quaint Parisian cafe or hiking to breathtaking viewpoints in the Swiss Alps. With the right preparation, these experiences can become a reality. So stick around as we dive into our top travel tips that will help you embark on your next journey with confidence and excitement. Before you set off on your adventure, taking the time to research your destination is crucial. Understanding the local customs, culture, and language can significantly enhance your travel experience. For instance, knowing a few basic phrases in the local language can go a long way in connecting with residents and showing respect for their culture. It's also important to familiarize yourself with local customs and etiquette, as this can help you avoid unintentional faux pas and make your interactions more enjoyable. Another key aspect of your research should include checking the weather conditions for your travel dates. Knowing what to expect can help you pack appropriately and plan your activities accordingly. For example, if you're heading to a tropical destination during the rainy season, you'll want to bring waterproof gear and have alternative indoor activities in mind. Additionally, understanding transportation options in your destination is vital for a smooth trip. Researching public transport systems, ride-sharing services, or car rental options can save you time and stress upon arrival. Lastly, don't forget to look into safety tips specific to the area you're visiting. Knowing which neighborhoods to avoid or understanding local emergency numbers can provide peace of mind while you explore. By investing time in researching your destination, you'll not only feel more prepared but also more confident as you embark on your journey, ready to embrace all the unique experiences that await you. Packing wisely is one of the most important steps in preparing for your trip. The right packing strategy can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Start by creating a list of essential items to pack, which should include your travel documents such as your passport, tickets, and any necessary visas. Don't forget to include clothing suitable for your destination's climate, as well as comfortable shoes for exploring. Toiletries are also a must. Pack travel-sized items to save space and ensure you have everything you need for personal care. To keep your luggage organized and maximize space, consider using packing cubes. These handy tools help compartmentalize your belongings, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Packing cubes can also help compress your clothing, allowing you to fit more into your luggage while keeping everything neat and tidy. Another crucial aspect of packing is checking baggage restrictions and weight limits for your airline. Each airline has its own policies regarding the number of bags you can bring and the maximum weight allowed. Familiarizing yourself with these rules can help you avoid unexpected fees at the airport and ensure a hassle-free check-in process. By packing wisely and being mindful of these essentials, you'll set yourself up for a successful trip, allowing you to focus on enjoying your adventure rather than stressing over forgotten items or overstuffed luggage. Effective budgeting is a crucial step in ensuring that your travel experience is enjoyable and stress-free. Before you embark on your adventure, it's essential to create a travel budget that encompasses all aspects of your trip, including accommodation, food, and activities. Start by researching the average costs in your destination to get a realistic idea of what to expect. This will help you allocate funds appropriately and avoid overspending. To make managing your finances easier, consider using budgeting apps that allow you to track your expenses in real time during your trip. These apps can help you stay on top of your spending, ensuring that you stick to your budget while still enjoying the experiences you've planned. By logging your expenses as you go, you can make adjustments if needed and avoid any unpleasant surprises at the end of your journey. It's also important to account for unexpected costs and emergencies in your budget. travel can be unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind. Set aside a portion of your budget for unforeseen expenses such as medical emergencies, last-minute activity fees, or changes in transportation costs. By taking the time to budget effectively, you'll not only enhance your travel experience, but also reduce stress, allowing you to focus on creating lasting memories and enjoying every moment of your trip. Before you embark on your journey, taking health and safety precautions is essential to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. One of the first steps is to check the vaccination requirements and health advisories for your destination. Many countries have specific vaccination mandates, especially for diseases like yellow fever or COVID-19. Staying informed about any health advisories can help you avoid potential health risks and ensure you meet entry requirements. In addition to vaccinations, it's wise to pack a basic first aid kit and any necessary medications. A well-stocked first aid kit can be invaluable for treating minor injuries or ailments while on the road. Include essentials like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you may need. It's also a good idea to carry a copy of your prescriptions in case you need to refill them during your travels. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of having travel insurance for peace of mind. Travel insurance can protect you from unexpected events such as trip cancellations, lost luggage, or medical emergencies. By investing in a comprehensive travel insurance policy, you can travel with confidence, knowing that you're covered in case of unforeseen circumstances. By taking these health and safety measures before traveling, you'll be better prepared to handle any challenges that may arise, allowing you to focus on enjoying your adventure to the fullest. As we wrap up this video, let's recap the key points we've discussed to help you prepare for your next adventure. First and foremost, researching your destination is vital. Understanding local customs, weather conditions, and transportation options can significantly enhance your travel experience. Next, we emphasize the importance of packing wisely. By creating a thoughtful packing list and utilizing tools like packing cubes, you can ensure you have everything you need without the stress of overpacking. Budgeting is another crucial aspect we covered. Creating a travel budget that includes accommodation, food, and activities will help you manage your finances effectively. Don't forget to account for unexpected costs, and consider using budgeting apps to track your expenses on the go. Lastly, we discussed health and safety precautions, including checking vaccination requirements, packing a basic first aid kit, and securing travel insurance for peace of mind. If you found these tips helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more travel advice and inspiration. Sharing this video with fellow travelers can also help them prepare for their journeys. Additionally, be sure to explore our related content on the channel, where you'll find more insights and ideas to fuel your wanderlust. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you safe and exciting travels ahead.